Welcome back in the YouTube lecture series for organic chemistry. In this video lecture, we are to deal with sugar industry. For BSc Part 3 CBCS system, semester number 6, there is a paper DSEF 8. So, from this paper, that is chemistry paper number 16, which is of industrial chemistry, we have seen one topic on polymer, synthetic polymers, and this topic is related to sugar industry. So, what is the scope of the topic? The scope is, in sugar industry we have to learn introduction, manufacture of cane sugar in India, extraction of juice, clarification, concentration, crystallization, centrifugation and other details of industrial process. Then we have to learn byproducts of sugar industry, manufacture of ethyl alcohol from molasses by fermentation. The workload allotted is of 7 lectures. So, what is the importance of sugar industry? Why we learn this? For every topic you must have this question. Sugar industry is an important agricultural industry that still provides the maximum amount of employment in India, agro-based industry. The sugar industry in India also happens to be the second biggest agro-based economic activity, which shows its importance in sustaining the national economy. So, nationally it is important as far as economics is concerned, and it is also important as employment is also concerned. Then it is an important cash crop related industry. Today, Indian sugar industry's annual output is worth approximately 80,000 crores. There are 800 plus installed sugar factories in the country, and they are sufficiently crushing having capacity to produce amount 340 lakh metric ton of sugar. Actually, the detail accurate figures will be something different. These are the figures which were available during the presentation. Okay. So, in short, sugar industry is important industry related to cash crop. It provides maximum employment and it is an important industry in Indian economy also. Okay. So, as a chemist, we are having several opportunities related to sugar industry. Then for our syllabus, there is a unit manufacture of cane sugar in India. Sugar is manufactured by two methods. One is called as two-step process. The two steps are production of raw sugar and refining of sugar. So, this was the traditional approach. Now, the modern technology is related to one-step process, in which there is no separate stage of refining. This stage of refining is integrated during the process of production of sugar. So, nowadays in modern sugar industries, we produce white sugar directly. Earlier it was raw sugar, and then the raw sugar was refined. So, one step process is the process in which sugar is manufactured systematically through several operations to get white sugar. So, I will differentiate once again. In two-step process, the first step is production of raw sugar and second step is refining. In one-step process, there is no separate step of refining. Instead, the refining is carried out in the stage of clarification. We will see the details in the stage of clarification, and the technical difference will be in two-step process, two steps are there. In the first step, we start with sugar cane, we end with raw sugar. In the second stage, we start with raw sugar, we get white sugar. In one step process, we start with sugar cane and we get white sugar directly. So, that is the difference. Now, in any industrial process, two terms are used. One is called as unit operation, other is called as unit process. So, what is unit operation? There are several steps in industrial manufacturing. The steps in which only physical changes and not chemical changes take place are called as unit operation. Operation is a physical. Operation is a physical. Okay. And what is unit process? The steps in which chemical changes take place, these are called as unit processes. So, oxidation, reduction, hydrolysis, these are the chemical changes. So, these chemical changes are unit processes. Then filtration, concentration, crystallization, these are the unit operations. So, mixing, blending, crushing, distillation, etc., are considered as unit operations. So, manufacturing of sugar is subdivided into several unit operations and processes. So, processes are integrated with the operations here. Okay. So, the first step is extraction of the juice. We are supposed to learn few specific things in every unit. In extraction, the operation is extraction. What is the unit used? The unit is called as mill house. Actually, mill house consists of crusher and roll mills. Okay. Then what is the activity? The activity which is carried out in during the extraction is called as compound imbibition. We will see the details in the next slide. The sugar cane which is transported from the fields to the sugar factories is carefully washed. So, first operation is washing of the sugar cane, and it is cut diagonally into small pieces by rapidly revolving knives. These rapidly revolving knives are having speed of 400 to 600 revolutions per minute. So, the sugar cane is cut, washed carefully and cut diagonally into small pieces. That is the first step. Then the chips are sent to milling train. Remember these words, milling train. Milling train is the transport system. Milling train consisting of 2 rolled crusher and 3 rolled mills. The entire unit is called as mill house. Okay. Then during this extraction process, the milling train consists of 2 rolled crushers, crusher with 2 rolls and rolled mills with 3 rolls, and these are 3 to 4 in series. We will see the figures. The mill is, what is the mill? The mill is a unit where 3 horizontal rollers are there. These rollers are having the dimensions 6 feet diameter and 6 feet length, 3 feet diameter. These are arranged in a triangular manner. Only top roller of the mill is rotating and not the bottom roller. Pressure on the top roller is around 75 to 80 tons per meter of roller length, that is the pressure maintained. Porous plan is provided below the crusher and the first mill, and other mills are provided with simple containers. So, see the design of the roller mill. Actually, these images are from your textbook. So, for extraction we use 3 rolled mill, then there is a crusher. Crusher is the first, then there are 3 to 4 rolled mills in the series. Top roller, it is rotating, then bottom roller which is stationary, then there is a perforated pan below the first crusher and first unit. Actually, we supply sugar cane chips, then sugar cane chips are processed for extraction and bagasse is emerging out. I have mentioned the dimension also, 6 feet length and 3 feet diameter. The length is 6 feet and this diameter is 3. Of course, the dimensions vary from unit to unit as per the local requirement and design of the plant. So, you must remember that there are these units, there is a crusher, there are rolled mills. These rolled mills are arranged in a triangular manner. The pressure is given here 75 to 80 tons and the actually process is taking place. So, for efficient extraction, there is a process called as compound imbibition, because during extraction process the extent of extraction goes on decreasing. To improve this process of extraction or to get maximum extraction, there is a process called as compound imbibition. So, see this schematic figure. The first set is set of crushers, 2 rolled crushers, crusher having 2 rolls. Then these are 3 rolled mills, every mill has a 3 rollers, crusher has 2 rollers, see carefully, crusher has 2 rollers, every rolled mill has 3 rollers arranged in a triangular way, first unit, second unit, third unit and fourth unit. So, 3 rolled mills 1, 2, 3, 4, crusher 2 rolled, then there is a perforated pan at the position of crusher and first mill, and in the second, third and fourth there is a regular container for collection of the juice. Okay. So, what is compound imbibition? See carefully. To get efficient extraction, hot water is sprayed, see here, hot water is sprayed on the bagasse emerging from third to fourth unit. I will repeat, hot water is sprayed on the bagasse emerging from third to fourth unit. Automatically you will get some diluted juice in the fourth container. Okay. So, this diluted juice is then sprayed in between the bagasse from this second to third. Okay. Then the diluted juice from the third is sprayed in between first to second, and the diluted juice from the second is sprayed on the bagasse emerging from crusher to the first mill. So, what is the purpose? The purpose is to increase the efficiency of extraction. So, hot water has to be sprayed for this purpose, but at every stage you sprayed hot water, then the juice will be more diluted. Therefore, hot water is sprayed only once in between third and fourth mill, and then subsequent diluted juice is poured on earlier steps. So, see carefully, hot water is sprayed in between third and fourth, juice from fourth is sprayed between second and third, then diluted juice from the third is sprayed between this first and second, and diluted juice from the second unit is sprayed on the bagasse emerging from crusher to first mill. So, this is the process is called as compound imbibition. See the details once again. Compound imbibition is a well known imbibition scheme widely used in sugar mills. Okay. What is the scheme? Hot water is sprayed over bagasse passing from third mill. Dilute juice from fourth mill is sprayed between second to third mill. Then dilute juice from third mill is sprayed between first to second mill. Dilute juice from second mill is sprayed on bagasse coming from the crusher. So, in this way repeated process is carried out, and we get the extraction in this manner. At the crusher we get 70%, in the first mill we get 12.5%, in the second mill 7%, third mill 4.5%, fourth mill 2.0%, and the final extraction is almost 96%. So, in the step of extraction, what we are going to remember is the process of extraction is carried out in mill house, that is crusher and rolled mills. The activity is compound imbibition. Operation is washing and cutting the sugar cane into small pieces. Then extraction is carried out by using milling train and the mill house. Then mill house consists of a crusher and 4 units of rolled mills. The arrangement is given, the design is also given. To carry on efficient extraction, the process of compound imbibition is carried out. So, you remember these things for your MCQs and other type of questions. Thank you.